What if microscopic robots could swim through your bloodstream, detecting cancer before it shows any symptoms, repairing organs at the cellular level, and delivering drugs exactly where they're needed, with no pain, no surgery, and almost no side effects? Sounds like science fiction, right? Not anymore. Today we're diving into the world of medical nanobots, invisible micro-heroes that are transforming human health from the inside out. Are you ready to witness the future of medicine? Let's get started. Explore the future of medicine with revolutionary nanobots. In this video, we'll discover how medical nanobots are revolutionizing the way diseases are treated. From detecting cancer to repairing damaged tissue, these tiny robots are changing the game in modern medicine. Medicine has come a long way, from antibiotics to robotic surgeries to AI diagnostics. But we're still facing enormous challenges: painful treatments, late-stage diagnoses, chronic illnesses that linger, and surgeries with long recoveries. Today, I'm diving into how medical nanobots could completely transform the human body. Can we really understand their future, and how they'll change our lives forever? What are medical nanobots? Nanobots are tiny machines, smaller than a single cell, engineered to perform precise tasks inside the human body. Built from biocompatible materials like gold, silicon, and metal oxides, they can be programmed to detect abnormal cells, deliver drugs to exact locations, repair damaged tissues, eliminate harmful bacteria or toxins. Think of them as invisible surgeons traveling through your body on a mission to heal. Designed to interact with specific molecules and structures, they can do what no scalpel or pill ever could: target disease at the cellular level with unmatched accuracy. How do nanobots work? So how do these micro-machines actually move and operate? Nanobots are guided by a variety of control mechanisms: magnetic fields, ultrasound waves, light or chemical signals. Once inside, they can identify cancer cells, enter them, and release medication directly where it's needed, without damaging surrounding healthy tissue. Real-life example. Researchers at the University of California have created nanobots with biosensors that detect cancer biomarkers and only release drugs when these biomarkers are present. It's like a precision strike inside your body, a stealth drone eliminating disease while leaving everything else untouched. Real applications, today and tomorrow. Here's where it gets really exciting. Nanobots aren't just a theory, they're already showing real-world impact. Early cancer detection. Nanobots can scan blood and tissue for microscopic changes that signal cancer, long before MRIs or blood tests can. Targeted drug delivery. Nanobots carry drugs and release them only at disease sites. That means fewer side effects and higher effectiveness. In one study, nanobots delivering chemo drugs shrunk tumors by up to 90% in animal models, compared to less than 50% using traditional methods. Tissue regeneration. Damaged organs like the heart or liver could one day be healed from within, cell by cell, using nanobots that rebuild tissue. Non-invasive surgery. Imagine a future where surgeries don't require knives. Nanobots could perform repairs internally. No incisions, no scars. Real-time blood monitoring. Nanobots could analyze your blood continuously, checking sugar levels, cholesterol, hormones, and more, transmitting alerts directly to your smartphone. What's already happening globally? Let's look at what's happening around the world. Israel. Scientists have built nanobots that precisely target and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy ones. China. Researchers are creating nanobots with microscopic propellers to swim through the bloodstream and deliver medicine. USA. At MIT and Harvard, programmable nanobots are being tested to treat Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions. Real-world examples. Cancer research. UK. Developed nanobots that block blood flow to tumors, effectively starving them. Caltech. Engineers are exploring DNA-based nanobots designed to reverse plaque buildup in the brain. In Japan, nanobots are being explored for spinal cord repair. In India, researchers are testing nano-drug delivery systems for tuberculosis treatment, a major breakthrough for underserved populations. What the future could look like. Let's imagine what the next few decades might bring. Nanobots performing full-body health scans continuously from within. Smartwatches and wearables that deploy nanobots in real time when they detect a health threat. Chronic illnesses like diabetes, arthritis, and even heart disease managed proactively through ongoing internal monitoring and repair. Personal health care without hospital visits. Treatments tailored to your exact biology, with delivery happening inside your body in real time. Virtual hospitals, where monitoring and treatment occur remotely, powered by nanobot feedback systems. You might wake up one day and your wearable alerts you that a cluster of nanobots detected the very early stages of a disease, and already began fixing it. That's not just futuristic, that's revolutionary. Ethical questions and human enhancement. As nanobot technology advances, we must also ask important ethical questions. What happens when we begin using these devices not just to heal, but to enhance? Could nanobots eventually be used to boost memory, strength, or intelligence? If so, who gets access, and who gets left behind? The question isn't just, can we do it? It's also, should we? And how do we ensure that nanomedicine benefits all, not just the wealthy or privileged few? Economic impact and industry growth. Nanomedicine isn't just a scientific breakthrough, it's also poised to become a trillion-dollar industry. Pharmaceutical companies, biotech firms, and medtech startups are racing to patent nanobot-based therapies. Governments are pouring billions into nanotech research. Universities are creating entire programs dedicated to molecular robotics. According to market forecasts, the global nanomedicine market could surpass $400 billion by 2030. That means jobs, innovation, and potentially faster access to life-changing treatments. Educational and workforce transformation. This rise of nanobots in healthcare will require a new kind of medical workforce. We'll need more than doctors. We'll need nanotech engineers, bioinformatics experts, and even medical device ethicists. Medical schools are beginning to integrate nanotechnology into their curricula, preparing future professionals to use, design, and regulate these machines responsibly. Public education is just as important. Patients will need to understand what nanobots do in their bodies and how to make informed decisions. We're not just reprogramming the body, we're reshaping medicine itself. Public acceptance and cultural shifts. Even the most advanced medical technology depends on public trust. As nanobots become more common, society will need time to adapt emotionally and culturally. Some people may fear robots inside the body, or reject the idea of automated medicine altogether. Media will play a critical role in shaping how nanobots are perceived. Will they be embraced as miracle machines, or rejected as invasive tech? Religious, philosophical, and psychological beliefs will all influence how different cultures react to the concept of micro-machines navigating our bloodstream. Nanobots in mental health monitoring. Beyond the physical body, nanobots may one day help us understand and manage mental health. These tiny devices could monitor neurochemical levels in real time, tracking neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and cortisol. By detecting imbalances early, nanobots could alert healthcare providers to signs of anxiety, depression, PTSD, or burnout, potentially before a patient even notices symptoms. Space medicine and extreme environments. Nanobots could also play a vital role in future space missions and extreme environments on Earth. In space, radiation exposure, muscle loss, and immune suppression are major risks. Nanobots might monitor and mitigate these effects in real time. In underwater expeditions, desert research, or Arctic missions, nanobots could deliver nutrients, prevent hypoxia, or rapidly heal micro-injuries caused by environmental stress. The philosophy of self. What makes us human? Finally, the rise of nanobots forces us to confront a profound philosophical question. If machines maintain our bodies, monitor our thoughts, and automate healing, what role does the human self play? Are we still the authors of our lives when bots are part of our biology? Does healing from within using nanobots change how we define independence, aging, and even consciousness? Would you let a robot swim through your bloodstream to cure disease? What excites or concerns you about this futuristic tech? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And what future medical innovation should we explore in the next video? Drop your ideas below. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a licensed healthcare provider regarding your health. Comment your biggest takeaway from today's video. If you're fascinated by the future of science and medicine, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive. Like this video if you believe in the power of innovation. And don't forget to share it with someone curious about how nanotech could change our lives.